Good afternoon. It is Saturday, and I woke up late. I took forever to get ready.
Yep.
Holly waited for me.
I can't see.
She's a real MVP. She waited. Yeah, it's really sunny out here. It's nice and warm, which is beautiful weather. I'm gonna get a cup of coffee, and we're gonna go around the farmer's market because Holly wants something to eat. So we're gonna go get something to eat, and yeah, then we're going to the movies in a bit. We're gonna watch The Jungle Book, which I'm excited about because I've been waiting for that movie for like 2 years. So yeah, follow along with us if you want. You should have brought sunglasses.
No, but they're in the car.
You could have borrowed a pair of mine. But here we are at the farmer's market.
I think the booths, yeah, some of the booths are gone.
Oh no.
Waited too long.
Sorry. If there's food in the middle, is that where you wanted to go?
Yeah.
We should just go there before they close. Oh, butterfly! Oh, look how pretty! Yep. Beautiful sunny day. Absolutely beautiful, guys.
They've got new stuff today.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm looking around.
New stuff.
Let's go around really quick and then I'll go to the...
Alrighty. I love this shop. They have stuff that smells so good all the time. Get down, get down. Market info. It's so cute. Nice painting.
But I'll definitely come at night. Yeah, the afternoon, I think that's when they're doing it later in the afternoon.
There's the beautifully carved soaps. Barbecued oysters.
Almost as fun.
Those plants look like they're dying. Most of them look a little dry.
Oh yeah, we'll go on this side.
Ew. Here we go. So, ooh, tamales. They've got food carts. OMG. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, these hot dogs though. Last time they smelled so good. OMG. Oh my god, hot dog. Like, look at the dude making them over there. Ugh. Yeah, most of it's died down because it took a while. Alright, we got hot dogs! Holly only had enough for one, but I charmed the cashier beforehand and he gave us the second hot dog. So we got 2 hot dogs for the price of 1, which is awesome. But now we're gonna quickly see if the cat place is open because they haven't been for a couple of months now. And it was because they hadn't really no kittens and they were remodeling, so we're gonna see if there's any there. And if not, then we just wait until we go see Jungle Book at 2:50. So that's what our plans are right now. At the thrift store, there's no cats right now. Next Friday, they said. But we found one, and her name is Clarice, and she is adorable, and she is currently massaging this stuffed animal. Girl, what are you doing? I want to like pick her up. She's adorable. She's a tortie. Look at her colors. All their colors. But yeah, there's not much of them here, so we're probably gonna drive around until the movie. But there's a Yorkie here called Milo. So cute. So cute. The view was good though. Right? Right? It was good. It was good. It was good. Yeah? It was good. It was. It was. I give it like 2 thumbs up. But we are off now.
If she had more subs, she would give it.
Yeah, I would give it more thumbs if they only have 2. Unless like my toes count. I'll lift my toes inside my shoes for it. Okay. Bye. Now we are off the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Righty, so the movie was good. Now we are on our way to the mall. Cause what do you need?
Oh no, it's for you. Remember? You want to see your people?
Yeah, but I thought you said because you.
If I have enough money, I wanted to get a hair dryer.
Yeah.
But I don't think I do.
So if Holly has enough money, she's gonna get a hair dryer. But mostly we're just gonna see like if any of my people are there to kind of say bye if I don't get to see them before I leave next Monday.
Oh shit, no I don't. Okay.
Okay, no she doesn't. Unless we find a cheap one at Ross.
That's
That's where
I
I found
think
mine.
about looking at Ross.
Yeah. 'Cause that's where I found mine, remember?
Yeah.
But that's where we're going right now. So stay in touch. Here we are entering the mall. Hopefully Holly finds a dryer. We're gonna check Ross. And then hopefully somebody I know is here. Cause I'll just keep coming back until I get to say bye. I ain't leaving saying bye to nobody. What you doing?
Nope, I only have $30. That's my name. We'll just see if they have one for like 10 or something.
They should. I forgot how much mine was, but I don't think it was that expensive. But we're gonna go into Ross and see. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to conclude this vlog. We just got home and we didn't do anything else. Just Netflix and chill, you know. So Holly's in bed now and I'm gonna be up a while. But I'm going to edit this and upload it, and I'm gonna say goodnight here and thank you for watching, and subscribe if you guys like what you see or not, because my vlogs are probably boring as fuck. But if you want to see something more entertaining or see this is not as bad as it looks on camera, I swear. But if you want to see more of me or Holly in our last adventures together before I move next Monday, then yeah, you can follow us on our you can follow me on my social media below or subscribe for more videos. But thanks guys. Good night.